How to fix Tachiyomi extension not working. If a Tachiyomi extension is not working, it usually comes down to few common issues, like to update your Tachiyomi extension. To do that, you just click on this three dot fan at top, click on the update option to update your library, click on the update category to also update it. You can also do this in two ways. You can click on the more option from here, click on the settings option, click on the library option, scroll gently, click on the smart update to update. Having done that, the next thing you can do is to clear your extension cache. To do that, you just have to go back, click on the data and storage option here. So from here, scroll gently, click on the clear chapter cache and clear all the cache, because sometimes glitches can make your extension not work very well. The next step you can take is to reinstall the extension. Sometimes extension break down due to corrupt install. To do that, all you have to do is to go back, settings option from here. So from here, you click on the browse option. So click on the extension repos, click on the delete option and confirm you want to delete this extension. Having done that, you can go to your browser, go back, go to your browser. From here, you just download any of the extensions of your choice. So guys, that is it on how to fix Tachiyomi extension not working. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.